If you're thinking about starting an online business, or if you already have one and you're considering Kajabi, in this video, I'm gonna help you decide whether or not Kajabi is right for you. And particularly, I'm gonna talk about the 5 ways that Kajabi makes you more money. In other words, I think you're gonna make more money when you have your online business on Kajabi than otherwise. And so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what those 5 reasons are. If you're thinking about jumping onto Kajabi, be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get some really cool things. One, you get my free course, the Kajabi Accelerator. This is exclusive to people who use my link. What this does is it walks you through how to get set up on Kajabi, how to think about your online business and how to grow it and scale it. I'm gonna put that in your hands for free. You also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. In addition to that, I've got a really cool email template for you for your first course launch. All of that is free when you use my link because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, but that's at no additional cost to you. So I appreciate that so much when you use my link. All right, so I got on Kajabi about 3 years ago, and I run 2 online businesses on it, and it is a lifesaver. I used to use a lot of different tools to run my online business. And I would have my email marketing software over here, my web hosting software over there, my online course over here, my funnels over there. And it became this insane kind of map of trying to make all these things fit together. Then I discovered Kajabi and how easy and convenient it is to run everything in my online business, and more all the time, because they continue to add features, but they don't increase the price, which is really cool. It replaces all of what I used to use in my online business and puts it in one place, and it has simplified my online business, and it has allowed me to scale like crazy. I should hit multiple 6 figures this year. I'm already at 6 figures as it is, multiple this year, and hopefully on to 7 figures next year or the year after. And I contribute so much of that ability to make money easily online to Kajabi. So with that said, let's dive into the 5 ways that Kajabi is going to help you make more money. Number 1, Kajabi will save you time. I cannot tell you how much time is saved when all of your tools are in one place. It's just amazing to have your email marketing, your website, your funnels, your online courses, your membership site, even now your podcast, all under one roof, all with one login, and all seamlessly integrated together. The amount of time that is saved just by using one tool over other ones allows you to do more of the things that actually generate income, like developing new courses or membership site content, like making free content for YouTube or your podcast, like interacting with and coaching your clients. All of that stuff is more possible because Kajabi allows you that time. The second way that Kajabi will help you make more money is Kajabi will save you money. I save about $2,000 a year from what I used to spend on all of those different tools. Kajabi, if you look at the prices, it can seem at first glance like it's kind of expensive. You look at it and go, oh my gosh, $100-something bucks or $150. But you have to realize that Kajabi contains so many different tools that add up to way more than that. So for me, I was spending $50 on email marketing, $100 on online course hosting, another $100 on sales funnels, $10 on web hosting, $12 to $15 on podcast hosting. You put all that together and it's a lot more than the one price that you pay on Kajabi. So by saving you money, it actually helps your money go further in terms of what you're making. And this is especially important if you're just starting out in online business, because what happens is when you start, you say, oh, all I need is a website and email marketing. And maybe that comes out to less than Kajabi. But then eventually you realize, oh, but I gotta have a place to host my online course, and that costs money. I gotta have a place to host my landing pages and do my sales process. And all of those things add up. And if you throw a podcast in there, it's even more. So Kajabi saves you money by putting all of that in one place. So it saves you time, it saves you money. Number 3, Kajabi will keep your business tech simple. The reason why this is so important and it affects your bottom line is that when you're using a tool like Kajabi that keeps everything simple, you do a whole lot less working on the business tech and a whole lot more doing the things that actually generate an income. So you're not always trying to figure out how do I upgrade my plugins, because there are no upgrades or updates that you have to do. It's all automatically done in Kajabi's system. So you're not having to manage tech, you're not having to get as much help. They have great support, they have great live chat when you need support. But as far as the tech, once you learn it, it's so simple and streamlined that it frees you up to focus on growing and scaling your business, not just managing tech. And I can tell you, as someone who had a lot of tech that I was trying to manage before, and being someone who I'm not really driven by and I don't love dealing with tech, it was a massive headache. I move over to Kajabi and it has simplified my business tech, which has allowed me to focus on income generating activities. Number 4, with all of that said, Kajabi does allow you to do third-party integrations. So if you have a tool that you love, let's say you use ConvertKit for email marketing and you love it and it's great and you've figured it out, but you still want to move to Kajabi, Kajabi has integration with tools like ConvertKit or ClickFunnels. So if you decide that that's what you want to do, but you want to use the other things that Kajabi offers, you can totally do that. When I first moved to Kajabi, one of my online businesses it's called Preaching Donkey, and now it's completely on Kajabi. But when I first started on Kajabi, I left it on WordPress as the website, and I just built my courses on Kajabi. That's totally fine to do. So you can do that if that's something that would simplify your business and allow you to use 2 tools that you want. So you can integrate it all together, you can keep it separate, and you can gradually move it over. And again, all of this leads to more money in your pocket because it frees you up to focus on the things that actually grow your business and not just managing all the tech details. And the 5th reason why Kajabi will ultimately help you make more money is because new features continue to be added all the time. So for example, just last year, Kajabi added podcasting. So I was able to move over from Buzzsprout to Kajabi. Well, that saved me not only money hosting my podcast on Buzzsprout, but now it actually saves me time because it's integrated. So all of the login, where I post new episodes, how I update everything, it's all in the same place, which again comes back to this theme of simplification, allowing me to focus on what actually generates revenue for my business. And as new features are added, the price stays the same. So you continue to pay the same amount, but they keep adding more and more and more features, which is an awesome thing for your business because your business can grow with Kajabi and Kajabi grows with your business. So those 5 reasons are why I believe very strongly that Kajabi is the best place for your business to be if you want to make more money. Now I'll throw in a bonus thing that Kajabi will do for you, and that is when you use my link, you get personalized help from me. So as I mentioned, you get that 45-minute Zoom call with me, you get my Kajabi Accelerator course, and all of that is yours when you try Kajabi for 30 days for free using my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So go ahead and click that and get started on Kajabi. And if you want to know how you can be successful on the platform, I made a 90-day playlist called Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. And it's right here, so click right there and it will walk you through in 90 videos everything you need to know about running your online business successfully and growing it on Kajabi. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.